So if you're a regular viewer, you might have been with me on Friday night when I did a prototype file for over an hour and a half on a file called He Is Risen for 2026, a complete new design for me. It was something that was requested by a friend of mine, and they gave me a picture and said, "Can you do something like this?" And I said, "Yeah, I think I can do it better." And there it is, right back there, and it's finished. I painted it, ready to go, and I'm ready to give it to my friend. I know it's a little bit late for Easter 2026, being that, tomorrow's the day, but you can use this for any Easter in the future. So put it in your file vault. Now, what I did today was I created this in a couple of different formats so that everybody could use it. Oh, and I'm going to give it to you free for a limited time. So the formats that I created this in is a lightburn file, obviously. I also created an ALP file, which is for the Aliencell X1. So if you happen to be lucky enough to have gotten a new Aliencell X1 recently, you'll get the ALP file. And I have all of the instructions for the Aliencell software. I set it up so it's very, very easy. All you do is open the file, follow the instructions, turn off the layers that you're not going to use. It's very quick. Everything's packaged neatly, easy instructions in the README file. And then I also have the SVG file for anybody else with any other type of a laser. So where you can get this file is going to be in my online store, engraveandcutfiles.com. And I'll put a coupon code at the end of this video so that you can get it for free. But you have to hurry because it's for a limited time. And I think it's only until Wednesday, if I remember what Linda said. But she gave me a coupon code where you can download the entire package. You get the Lightburn file, you get the SVG files, you get the ALP file for the X1, and just basically bring this in and run it. And here's what the file looks like. And this is what it looks like in Lightburn. There's only two layers. There's an engraved layer, there's a cut layer. In Alien Space software, there's only 4 different layers in there. All you do is click the little eye next to the group. Everything's grouped into 4 groups. When you click the eye, that layer turns off. Turn off 2 or 3 of the layers. Run 1 or 2 of the files at a time because you can fit 2 12x12s in the machine. So you can run 2 of the groups together. And it's just easy as pie. So everything is all pre-formatted, ready to go, tested, and waiting for you guys. And don't forget, I also have the SVG files. So if you have, an epilogue laser or some laser that doesn't use Lightburn, you've got that as well. So I just wanted to do a quick update. I promised during the live stream that I was going to finish these, prototype it, make a couple of little adjustments to the file, and then make it available for free to my live stream viewers. Well, I'm going to make it available for free to all of my YouTube viewers. If you watch this video in time for the deadline for the coupon code. So I'll put that coupon code down in the description, and I'll also put it up on the screen right here. And you can go run over to my store, add it to your shopping cart, check out with the coupon code, and you'll get these files absolutely free. So just a quick video today to let you know that I finished the prototype. There it is back there, ready to gift it to my friend. And it's also ready. I want to gift it to all of you as well as a thank you for your patronage. So I hope you enjoy this file as much as I enjoyed making it and making it for you now too. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.